Let's begin. Go to the Play Store. Type in DroidCam. Install the app. DroidCam app needs to be installed both on your phone and PC. Otherwise, it won't work. The PC version of this app is available in the description below. Next, go to Settings. Go to System. Developer Options. Look for USB debugging. Turn it on. This will allow your phone to be detected by the app via USB. Open the app. Choose this icon. Select front or back camera. Now let's go to your laptop or PC. Download this version using the link in the description below. Choose how you want to connect your phone. It can be through Wi-Fi or USB. I recommend you use USB to avoid battery drainage. Click this icon to detect your phone. Then click Start. Now you're using your phone as a webcam. Congratulations, let's try using it in Zoom. Subscribe and comment thank you if you like this video. Now you can either choose DroidCam Source 2 or DroidCam Source 3. Let's choose the DroidCam Source 3 and see how it looks. Now you can use your phone with high megapixels as your extra webcam. Again, the link to the PC version of DroidCam is located in the description. Try this life hack yourself and thank you for watching.